Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I formulated these two butters. One is emulsified and one is just straight butters and oils. So stay tuned, keep watching if you want to figure out how I formulated these two beautiful creations. Okay, now starting off with a scale. Of course, if you're formulating things like these, I believe you would need a scale, especially if you're making emulsified products, then you need a scale in my opinion. I'm going to start off with some water. I'm going to weigh my water and I'm going to add my hibiscus powder and then my fenugreek powder. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of colloidal oat flour. And we're going to use the double boiler method so it could infuse in the water. So moving on to the oil phase, I'm going to get me some shea butter, cocoa butter, avocado oil, coconut oil, castor oil, some stearic acid just to give it some more thickness, and some emulsifying wax to bring the water and oil together. Of course, you need that. After I let my water infuse with the hibiscus and the fenugreek, I didn't even strain it. You could strain it if you would like, but I didn't want to, and I honestly didn't feel like it either. But have some extra set aside. I did boil extra because your water evaporates, so do that. You're gonna have to make up for it. After the water phase, I weighed the whole bowl out so I can know how much to make up for. I added the oil phase to the water phase and just mixed that up by hand, because 9 times out of 10, if you see me making anything, it's a 100-gram batch. So I'm just going to go in with my peppermint oil and my preservative, which is Optifin Plus. Now, I was aiming for a thicker butter, but it didn't turn out that way. But I'm not mad at it, so it's cool. And I was trying to get you guys to see what I was seeing, like see the color I was seeing. It's like a strawberry milkshake color, but yeah, it wasn't working out that way. That's the best I could do. I tried to turn my light off, but that didn't work either. So I'm just going to transfer it to this clean container that I cleaned and sanitize with rubbing alcohol. And here's the formulation that I've used for the butter. Now moving on to the straight butter, no water added, just butter and oils. I'm gonna just take my shea butter, chose one oil, which is olive oil, and I'm gonna heat that up and infuse the hibiscus and fenugreek with that. And I put it in the freezer to cool down. And I'm just gonna whip it up for like a good 10 to 15 minutes, I believe, starting off with a low speed, and then I bring the speed up every couple of minutes or so. And I did go in and scrape the sides from time to time. And then I'm gonna go in with my peppermint oil. You could use a preservative, but I don't need one. I didn't want one. Here's the consistency. Here's what it's looking like right now. And as you continue to whip it up, it will just about double in size. And I'm also going to transfer this into a clean container as well. And here's the finished product. Alrighty, there's the consistency of both of them. And that's it for today's video, you guys. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more formulations in the future. And let me know if you guys try this out, let me know. Alright, y'all. See y'all in the next one.